Ayurveda is the oldest known organized medicine and is recognized by the World Health Organization. Though Ayurveda has obviously withstood the test of time, people all over the world are currently experiencing a renewed interest in this philosophy of wholeness and sustained health. Ayurveda, the science of life, which offers saner ways of maintaining good health, longevity, and overall quality of life. Pattarmadam Vaidyas belong to a generations-old family of Ayurveda practitioners, well known for their traditional ways of treatment. For over 100 years, physicians from the Pattarmadam family dedicated themselves to the study of Ayurveda and adapted and perfected its treatment methodologies. In this period, 5 generations of physicians brought relief to thousands of patients who had little else to expect of their lives. The late Ittiyachan Vaidyan was a well-acknowledged physician of repute, and he, inspired by the public acclaim, established and developed Pattarmadam Clinic in the year 1961. Dr. Varghese, empowering generations. Pattarmadam Clinic and Ayurveda Nursing Home has now emerged as an authentic and promising treatment center for rheumatic ailments as well as other chronic ailments under the stewardship of his son, Dr. K.I. Varghese, DAM Integrated, an eminent physician who has served on the Board of Studies of Ayurveda, Mahatma Gandhi University. Dr. Varghese was recognized with the title Vaidya Vajaspati by Kerala Ayurveda Mandalam. The tradition continues under his son, Dr. Shaji Varghese, BAMS. The present chief of Pattarmadam is renowned for his vast experience in traditional Ayurvedic treatments, 23 years of successful service, former faculty, Department of Tourism, Kerala. Pattarmadam Clinic and Ayurveda Nursing Home is today a self-sustainable unit with all required facilities. Most reliable center in South India for Ayurvedic treatments and wellness procedures. Patients from all over the world visit this center for physical and mental wellness. Patients from Russia, USA, Italy, France, Singapore, Malaysia, Switzerland, Scotland, Kuwait, Dammam, Oman and UAE have visited this facility for treatment of different diseases. Highly personalized care. Well-trained paramedical staff. Location: set up at the typical rural setting of Kerala in Maykkad, surrounded by lush greeneries. Just 6 km from the Cochin International Airport. Situated adjacent to a beautiful paddy field and a waterway. Facilities: spacious and well-furnished air-conditioned rooms with all modern facilities such as riverside balcony, television, internet, hot and cold water supply, laundry, etc. Areas of expertise: autoimmune, musculoskeletal and neurological diseases, wellness therapies, relaxation therapies, Panchakarma, and Kerala special treatments. Rheumatic diseases. Ayurveda says the disturbed normalcy of the doshas could set off a chain reaction, troubling the other body elements. There can be many reasons for this. Some may be natural, some man-made, wrong body and food habits. But once the process is set in motion, then the body begins to suffer. Pattirumadam is synonymous with the treatment for rheumatic diseases in South India. Allergy and skin diseases. Antagonism in food leads to many allergic manifestations and skin diseases. Psoriasis is caused by deranged Vata and Kapha. Regular use of incompatible articles of food and indiscriminate physical activities can activate pathogenesis. Alcohol and tobacco will act as a catalyst. Ayurveda also emphasizes the effect of stress in the pathogenesis of the disease. The treatment protocol includes detoxification, panchakarma, and strict diet regime. Pindasvedam, specially formulated by Pattirumadam Vaidyas. Powders of 9 anti-rheumatic herbs are cooked in medicated liquid and bound in cloth pouches, are applied on the body rhythmically and massaged. It helps in curing diseases of joints, vertebral diseases, and degenerative diseases of the joints. Face care. In Ayurveda, beauty is meant in a wider medical sense. It is the radiance of a person. The beauty care program is for cleansing, nourishing, and protecting the skin. Shirodhara, warm medicated oil poured as an even stream onto the forehead continuously. This will tune up the brain and will improve memory. It helps in preventing and curing diseases like paralysis, dementia, and other neurological diseases. It is employed in psychiatric and psychosomatic diseases. It relieves tension, checks stress and strain. Takradhara, medicated buttermilk is poured onto the forehead continuously. This treatment is effective in curing psoriasis, insomnia, and other stress-related problems. It prevents graying of hair and effective in diseases of the ear and eyes. Highly effective in headache. Kadivasti. Lukewarm medicated oil is retained on the lower back. This treatment is employed in lumbar spondylosis, intervertebral disc prolapse, low backache, etc. Nasyam. Herbal juices, medicated oils, etc. are applied through nostrils. This is highly effective for headaches, paralysis, cervical spondylosis, hair loss, etc. Food. Ayurveda counts a lot on diet in the fight against diseases, and hence the vegetarian cafeteria serves delicious vegetarian dishes. Yoga. It is a holistic approach of uniting the body, mind, and spirit. Yoga is beneficial as they bring a harmonious balance within your system. A state of total well-being is not just a healthy body, but a healthy mind and spirit too. Yoga works on all these facets. Our medicines. Kerala inherits a very rich medicinal flora. The unique herbal formulations described in Kerala's Ayurvedic texts have national level acclaim, and they are included in the Ayurvedic Formulary of India. One important aspect of Kerala formulations is that the stress is more on herbal components rather than on metals or minerals. Here at Pattarumadam, we prepare and use genuine Ayurvedic medicines following this pristine, unique medical tradition of Kerala. Unique attractions. Unforgettable walk through the village alleys, enjoying the silence and innocence of its people. Enjoy the soothing mantras reverberating in the corridors and allow the body and mind to relax. Proximity to some of the best tourist locations such as Adirapalli Waterfalls and Kodanad Elephant Kraal. Outpatient Clinic. The OP Clinic is situated on NH47 at Kariyad, about 3 kilometers from the Cochin International Airport at Nedumbasheri. The clinic is easily accessible to all. We have another full-fledged, well-working branch at Perumbavoor, a nearby town. Ayurvedic courses at Pattarumadam Clinic helps one discover his or her innate potential for wellness and learn the tools to maintain health in all facets of living. Facts behind our excellence. Sincere and effective service. Expertise in more than 25 different Ayurvedic treatments. Intensively knowledgeable and exhaustively trained Ayurveda team. Personal service and consultations throughout the stay. Competent training in Ayurveda. Best ambience for Ayurveda treatments. Accreditation. Since its establishment, Pattarumadam Clinic and Ayurveda Nursing Home has been gaining national and international recognition for excellence in Ayurveda and its promotion. The prestigious Green Leaf status was conferred by the Department of Tourism, Government of Kerala, for ensuring meticulous adherence to authentic Ayurveda. Partnerships and tie-ups. Partnership with Indriya, the yoga adventure destination Frankfurt, Germany. Partnership with My Trip to Kerala, the trip advisor. Tie-up with Cochin International Airport.
You can experience the soothing touch of nature and healing power of Ayurveda at Pattarumadam, the heritage of healing. It's authentic, pure and pristine.
Pattarumadam Clinic and Ayurveda Nursing Home. Head Office Kariyad, Mekad PO, Nedumbasheri. Phone 0484 247 6396 24777757. Email dr@pattarumadam.com. Website www.pattarumadam.com.